I am in a 2012 Hyundai Azera. We have one existing Prox, and we're going to program another Prox in. They all have to be cleared and programmed in at the same time. The start button is the area we're going to program it at. OBD2 port, right below the gas button. So let's go to, first thing we want to do is we want to turn our hazards on. Go to Azera. I've already got the pin code. Go to 12. Alright, you got so many keys are in here. 2. Program key. We're going to say no. Okay. Pin code is 196710. Okay, we're going to take this key here, push it on the button, and then it'll program it. We have to hit OK, and then we'll do it. Okay, that one is programmed. Would I like to do an additional? Yes. All right, this is going to be the corner right here. We'll hit OK, hold down the button. Oh, I have to hit, I'm sorry, I gotta hit enter. Okay, would you like to program any more keys? No. Okay, we're gonna go to count keys. 2 keys programmed, but we're gonna check it anyway. There it is. Turn the hazards off. Unplug. Sometimes the remote won't work until you unplug. There we go. All right, turn on, and we are done.